There we have a REALME GT Neo 3T, and today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on this device. So there is two ways for it, by the Google Lens and by the web browsers. So we have to start from the first method, by the Google Lens, and we have to start from choosing the photo that you want to search in the Google. So if you find your photo, just click here on this Google Lens. And how you can see now, Google looks for the similar or the same photo automatically. And this is the first way. And the second way, by the web browsers, we have to go to the google.com. And how you can see, if we tap now on this camera icon, we are now in the Google Lens. But if you want to search the Google from the gallery, it's a very important step. Click here and go to the desktop site. Now just tap this small camera icon again and choose upload a photo. Allow permissions and look for the photo again. Choose one of them, and how you can see, now we are looking for the same photo in the Google. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.